We have an old Haughton freight elevator here. We're going to take a ride on it.
This is the only side that opens on one, all the other floors open on this side.
Gotcha. Okay.
Got manual controls.
Yep.
Over here.
Look at this real quick. Look at these old,
cool.
these are the old door. Oh, look at this.
They work.
Security.
Oh, yeah.
So security's from St. Louis. They're now Corion.
Oh, yeah.
That's where I'm from.
That actually work.
An old.
Little buzzer right here to call the elevator.
Oh, yeah.
I'll take you down to 3. You can
Okay.
get a better shot.
Look at this. Yeah, I see the
Taking us on this. This is cool.
see the car. So they've upgraded the car switch.
Yeah, but it's still, I can still do the doors with it.
Oh, okay, yeah.
This is that door.
That's this door.
And it's
Yeah, those are really cool.
light switch turn on.
Yeah.
The intercom does not work, this thing,
Yeah.
but to call it an outside screen, it works, but only there. It doesn't actually ring inside
Gotcha.
because nobody's ever in it.
Yeah.
Right. So the tenant just has to find the elevator if they need
They
it.
call, right?
Most
They
people
call.
that use this are vendors or people moving big stuff, obviously. And it has the sign on the door, and they know where it is.
Yeah.
Softball. Yeah, because this was your old system. The way it would work, if you push up, one of these would
Yeah.
light up, and then you hit this, and it resets it. Oh yeah. Yeah, those.
Oh, yeah.
That's the button.
Just to call it, but
That would set off those.
all it does though is if I thought this one worked, but I guess it doesn't.
It makes a buzzer, yeah.
But just at the box, not on the actual elevator.
Yeah. Looks like a CJ. Actually, that looks like a CJ Anderson replacement.
It does.
Those key switches.
Play with the handles, obviously.
Oh, you can actually close the door with the handle. That's
Yeah.
good. How many speeds is it? Just one, or is it?
This is it.
Okay. And I saw it has self-leveling too.
Yeah.
It's, yeah, the first and the 8th floor, once it gets close enough, then you just let it go, it does its own thing.
Yeah, really cool. Thank you for taking it.
That was cool.
The other one?
Yeah.